Ever snap the perfect portrait or landscape except for that random person or trash can ruining the shot? Today, I'll show you 2 super simple ways to remove unwanted objects in Photoshop. Let's dive in. First up, the classic content-aware fill, perfect for quick fixes. Grab the lasso or object selection tool and loosely select the object. Pro tip: navigate to select, modify, expand, increase the value to 20 to 30 pixels. This will help to create smoother borders and avoid dash marks. Then right-click your object and choose Content-Aware Fill. Play with the sampling brush to tell Photoshop which parts to copy. See the preview? Adjust until it blends naturally. Hit OK and the object gone. To acquire a perfect look, repeat previous steps a few times and use the spot healing brush for tiny touch-ups. Easy, right? Now, let's level up with Generative Fill and work with complex photos. It would be too difficult to remove such objects with just removal tool because we don't have enough space to give it more context of the image. Instead of this, select the object with the Any Selection tool. Remember that you can select multiple objects at once just by clicking on them. Click the Generative Fill button in the taskbar. Type a prompt like remove the car or leave it blank. Photoshop's AI will guess. Check the 3 previews and pick your favorite to make image crystal clear. Remove big objects with Generative Fill, then polish details with Content Aware. Quick note: only genuine Photoshop users get access to Generative Fill. Seamlessly remove objects, extend backgrounds, or add new elements with a simple text prompt. Stay ahead with a legitimate license. Keep creating and subscribe for more.